this lesson, we are going to add the person pro, which is a little bit different from the person. And let's just grab the same dog that we have here. You can add your alt text, have the details, and let's go over to the overlay. You can have that as scale up. That's how the overlay, nice overlay, nice and scaling up. You can also have it slide like that to the left. There's the details. So the details that you're seeing here, you can change that as well. So you put your mouse over it, look at that. Nice. So you come here, if you want to change anything, you can change the positions for it. Let's scoot this over. You can change the pattern, you can change the image, the overlay for it. Now you have that. You can put this to blue. So you change the name, you can change the colors for that as well. Scroll down, change the height. You want it bigger, you want it smaller. You can change the colors, you can change the spacing, see right there. And you scroll down the position, you can change the position as well. You can change the colors for the description, the font size, the line height, pretty much anything that you want to change on here. So have some fun. Look at that. Whoop, that's nice.